What's good? It's your boy Dre, also known as Mr. Pofolk Everything, and today I'm back with another one. We got us a box in. Can you see that in the background? Yep. Today we're gonna be installing a couple parts on the MC. So as you can see from the side of the box, we got some LED lights in. Yep, we're gonna be removing the old halogen bulbs from the MC and we're gonna be putting in some LED lights. So let's look and see what we got. Oh, here we got. Hold on. Get this thing out real quick. So here we have it, the LEDs. I mean, they look okay, I guess. As you can see, there's a world of difference. Right now, the headlights are just sitting there, but as you can see, just the difference those headlights make the front end look. So you got the old halogen bulbs and you got the LED bulbs. Now they're not hooked up right now. They're just sitting in there, but we'll get to that. Now, for anybody else who's wanting to do this, whether you have a Monte Carlo, a Regal, Grand National, Bonneville, whatever car you have, it's gonna have some type of bezel that goes on the headlight. On the MC, it has these little rings right here. That's the headlight bezel. You got two bolts at the top, two at the bottom. Once you take those off, the headlight pops out because that's the only thing holding the headlights in there. As you can see, old and busted, hot newness. Old and busted, hot newness. So the headlights is installed and wired up. As you can see, it does change the look of the vehicle. It makes the vehicle look totally different. Now, look at that, LS. If we turn on the headlights, as you can see, the low beams are on. There's the high beams. All of them are on and working. As you can see, the lights is pretty bright. Now, I don't know if I can capture it with it being dark outside, but that's how bright them lights is. Those halogen bulbs, they wasn't that bright. Let me see if I can capture it. As you can see, as in the video from earlier in the day, there's only one set of one row of lights on. That's the way I personally have them wired up. I wired them up like that because that's how I wanted them. I felt like it made it look aggressive. It made it look different than just to have the whole LED lit up. If you just switch a couple wires around, you can have it to where all of them's lit up. I just didn't personally like that. Now, that is all of them lit up. All LEDs lit up is super, super bright. And what I mean, if you look back there, that's high beams on, high beams off. High beams on, high beams off. I mean, they're still bright regardless. So, like I said, if you want your low beams to have all LEDs lit up, then all you have to do is install it the way they come. If you install them the way they come, when you turn on your lights and your low beams is on, all LEDs, every row of LEDs will come on. I hit my high beams and then they would go to the one row, but the high beams would be full. I didn't like that. I kind of like the way that it looks with just one row on the low beams and all the rows on the high beams. To me, it's a cleaner look. It looks better. If you have any questions, make sure you put it down in the comment section.